Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to block unwanted email contacts in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to your inbox where you can manage your contacts and settings. Once your emails have loaded, navigate to your inbox pane where all your emails and email folders are located. Now, to block an unwanted contact, you'll need to find a sample email from the person you want to block. This is the quickest method if you already have a message from them sitting in your inbox. Once you've located the email, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. From this list, hover your cursor over the option labeled Junk. When you do this, the menu will expand to show additional choices. From the expanded menu, you'll see an option that says Block Sender. Click on this and Outlook will immediately add that email address to your blocked senders list, preventing any future messages from that contact from reaching your inbox. Now, if you don't have a sample email from the contact you want to block, there's another way to do this. Simply click on the Junk drop-down menu from the top part of your screen. From there, select Junk Email Options. A Junk Email Options window will appear, giving you more control over how Outlook handles unwanted messages. In this window, click on the Blocked Senders tab. You'll see a complete list of all the email addresses you've already blocked, which helps you keep track of who's been restricted from contacting you. To add a new contact to this list, click on the Add button located in this section. A small window will pop up, prompting you to enter the email address of the person you wish to block. Simply type in their email contact carefully to make sure it's correct, then click OK. You'll immediately see the email address appear in your blocked senders list, confirming that it's been added successfully. Once you've verified that the email address has been added, click on Apply to save your changes. This ensures that all your blocking settings are updated and active moving forward. And that's it, you've successfully blocked unwanted email contacts in Outlook, giving you better control over who can reach your inbox. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.